Hello guys and welcome to one more of my video of C. Okay. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you the loop where, as I mentioned in the last video, the, the loop actually loops the statements inside it until the wait, I'll show you by the example. Okay. So loop is divided into three parts: while, for and do. Okay. The while loop actually repeats the inside statement until the condition is falsified. Okay, so until a is less than 10 it will repeat it, and when a becomes greater than 10 like 11, 12 or so on, it will not repeat it and go outside, which is get for now. Okay, so what happens, this is a basic programming of loop. We open the header files, okay, hash include, then the void main, then we specify the variables int a, clear screen, a equals 0. So till here you must be understanding. Now the while is like until a is till a is less than or equal to 10, it will repeat this, which is printf a and next line. In the next thing I put a plus plus, which is mostly used to increase the variable. Okay, so and then we have a bracket close. So what happens exactly is that over here it will go and what it will go over here after completing this while. Okay, so first the computer will see if this condition is being true. If the condition is being true, it will go inside. Over here it is true and not false, so printf percentage %d and next line. So over here we have kept a equals 0, so it will print 0 and the next line. The next thing is a plus plus, where the value of a will turn 0 to 1. You can write a plus plus as this, or a equals a plus 1. It's the same, just this is the shorter method. So we'll just try. Okay, so as you can see from all the numbers between 0 to 10 have been done. If we just see that a is being printed again and again, just that it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, its value increases. Okay, that's the thing. Then we have while 2. Okay, so over here I'm doing the same thing, just I'm going to 0 from 30 to 0. Okay, see, it's the same thing, 30, 28, 28 and so on till 0. Okay, so even that's the same thing. Over here I've put a minus minus and like that, get in the middle so that I see 1 1 da, or else if I keep the get outside it, sorry, if I keep the get outside over here, it would be like, yeah, it would be like it will finish everything and then at last I can see the 30s. That's why I kept it over there. I had made one more program while 3. Okay, so over here what happens, that you can see the number table of that number. Type any number. Okay, so if I type 2 till 10, it will show me the whole table, which 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay, so that is great. Over here I've used 3 variables, a, b and c. Then clear screen, type any number, then the type number would be a, then b equals 1, then I use the while and until till b is less than 10 or equal to 10, it should come inside it. Then as it comes inside it, the c variable is specified, which is c equals a into b. Then printf A into B equals C, and then the B is plus plus. So what happens? The A variable stays constant, which is 2 2 2 2. The B variable changes every time, which is 1 2 3 4 and so on. The C variable also changes with the B and showing the table. So if I type any number like 100, 100 ones are 100 and till that, okay? 100 times 1 is whatever. You can type any number 129, okay, 1239. It will show you the table till 12390. You can increase the number till 100 or whatever. So if I want it till 15, 1 to left 9, 15, and it will show me till 15 times 15. So that's one program. I hope you enjoyed the video. I expect for at least 10 likes, okay, which is the minimum. Okay, thank you. In the next video, I'm going to show you the second type of loop. Okay, if you have any queries regarding the while, I will make a detailed video about while and show you that. Okay, please comment below and subscribe. Thank you.